JoJo and Gran Gran, take my hand and come with me on a journey through our streets. We'll say hello to everybody that we meet. Through the year as seasons change, exploring every day, we take our time to stop and play. And when the springtime blossom turns to summer sun, JoJo likes to get outside. Gran Gran always makes it fun. When the autumn rainfall turns to winter snow, I know a special place, a place where we can go. Take my hand, we're heading home with JoJo and Gran Gran.
It's time for Halloween.
It was a cold autumn morning. The leaves were changing colour and falling from the trees. And JoJo and Gran Gran, that's me, were getting ready for a Halloween party.
One lost whisker.
Our party guests won't know which biscuit to choose. I like your funny cat, JoJo.
It's not a funny cat, Gran Gran. It's a spooky cat.
Oh, of course. Now, there's just one thing missing. A pumpkin.
Gran Gran, we don't have any biscuits left.
Oh, we're not making pumpkin biscuits. We're going to Jared's shop to buy a real pumpkin.
Why, Gran Gran?
To make a spooky lantern.
Ooh.
I make one every year.
At Halloween, what you do with your pumpkins is that you curl them into silly shapes and put it inside or outside your house.
And once I made pumpkin pie out the pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
I'm going to dress up as the bat.
I'm going to dress up as like a rubber.
I dressed as a skeleton and did a robot dance. Everybody was like, whoa, this kid is good at robot dancing. Hello, Cynthia.
Oh, hello there, JoJo. Hi, Gran Gran. Where are you two off to?
We're going to buy a pumpkin from Jared's shop.
To make a spooky lantern for our Halloween party.
Oh, yes. It's not a Halloween party without a spooky lantern.
Would you like to come to our Halloween party, Cynthia? We're wearing costumes.
I'd love to. Thank you, JoJo. Now, I've got a costume somewhere.
Come on then, JoJo. We don't want to miss Jared's pumpkins. See you later,
Bye,
Cynthia.
Oh, bye. Now, where's that costume?
Hey, JoJo! Gran Gran!
Hello, Jared. Can we buy one of your pumpkins, please?
We're making a spooky lantern for our Halloween party. Gran Gran makes one every year.
Would you like to come to our party, Jared?
You know I love a party. I'll be there. Now, let's find you a pumpkin. How about this one?
Panda says that pumpkin is too small. And that pumpkin is too big.
Too big. Okay. How about this pumpkin?
Panda says that pumpkin is perfect.
Thanks, Jared. Now, let's go home and start making our spooky lantern. Ta-da!
It looks very spooky, Gran Gran.
Jojo, can you see the other bag of decorations anywhere?
They're under the table, Gran Gran. I'll get them. Our spooky lantern. It's all smashed and smooshed.
Oh, no.
What are we going to do, Gran Gran? Hello, Monty.
Hey, Jojo, Gran Gran. How's the spooky lantern looking?
Not so spooky.
It's all smashed and smooshed. Can we buy a new pumpkin, please, Jared?
Oh, man. I'm sorry, Jojo. I don't have any pumpkins left.
Not even a small one?
Not even a small one.
But you make a spooky lantern every year, Gran Gran. And you said it's not a Halloween party without a spooky lantern.
Jojo, I think it's time for a Gran Gran Plan. We don't need a pumpkin to make a spooky lantern. That's the funniest bat I've ever seen, Jojo.
I'm not a funny bat, Gran Gran. I'm a spooky bat.
Oh, of course. Ooh.
Jared!
Hey, Jojo.
Look at the vegetables.
Ooh. Very spooky, Jojo.
And look at these biscuits. Oh, I don't know which one to choose.
Come on, everyone. Everybody say, spooky lantern.
Spooky lantern!
Right, guys, let's finish off these pumpkins.
We're going to have a Halloween party for our friends.
Halloween happens once a year.
We're skipping out the pumpkins for our party. We're nearly at the end of the
Make some
pumpkin.
space. That's it.
I can see the inside of it. It's like a window.
I love this smiley face in my pumpkin.
Thank you very much. Oh,
We need to put up the decorations before everybody arrives.
It's time to put out the snacks.
Our friends are here.
hi, everybody. Come on in.
Thank you. Thank you.
Straight through.
Hiya, everyone. Welcome to our party. Hello. Hello.
Wow, look at all of this.
It's party time. I'll get a cucumber.
Cucumber.
I don't want any. I know.
I like them.
He wants to play some game.
We're going to play pin the tail on the cat. Not this cat, but this one.
It's fun playing pin the tail on the cat.
Not bad. Shall we put some music on and dance? Yay!
Everyone loves dancing.
loved our Halloween party.
We really enjoyed our Halloween party, didn't we, Panda?
I think we should make spooky lanterns out of vegetables every year.
I love you, Gran Gran.
Oh, I love you too, Jojo.
Watch more on BBC iPlayer.